I'm going to attempt a UK wheat record, preferably world record, but maybe a little bit difficult with the drilling conditions we had. But yes, excited, and hopefully still excited when we get going. Initial thoughts is UK record, close to world on this little bit here, but it happened to me last night and it went downhill, so we'll have to see. It's going exceedingly well, and we're probably running just above the UK average for the UK record, which is very, very exciting.
What it seems to be is after 4 hours we're down to the last trailer, and if the yield is right we'll get the record, the UK record, on the final trailer of the day.
And that's this trailer behind you?
That trailer. So it's all or nothing on this one.
And what are your thoughts?
I think we're going to do it.
Brilliant.
Fantastic news.
At what point did you think you were going to get it then?
As soon as we got this side, the yield just went ridiculous. We were getting to 6.5 tonnes the acre readings. We've got 6.6 twice, I think, recorded. So just unbelievable. This last 10 acres on this heavy land's just blown it away.
To Tim, hard work, to great farming, to breaking the UK record. Absolutely fabulous. Couldn't have done it without all that hard work. Well done, Tim.
Well done.
Cheers.
Cheers.